Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install DBeaver 25 on Ubuntu 24.04. Then we will connect PostgreSQL and MySQL from the DBeaver. First open any web browser, then go to DBeaver official website, that is dbeaver.io. Enter. See here, DBeaver community is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, database administrators, analysts, and everyone working with data. It supports all popular SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family, and more. See here we have two types of versions, Community and Pro. Pro is the commercial version, Community is open source version. I am going to download and install open source edition, that is Community edition. Click on download. See here the version is 25.05. So for Ubuntu or Debian type operating systems, we have to download this Debian package. So click on it. See, download started and its size is 125 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. ls. See here we have the DBeaver CE 25. CE means Community Edition .debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dp kg-i, then give the DBeaver, give the tab, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, it is installing 25.05. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to show applications. If you are unable to find here, then type here to search db. See here we have the DBeaver CE. CE means Community Edition. Click on it. Close this one. See, we have installed DBeaver 25.05. Now we will see how to connect PostgreSQL or MySQL or MariaDB. Just we need to click on this plus button. Then select the database type, PostgreSQL, then click on next. PostgreSQL is installed on this PC, so I am giving localhost. But if it is installed on some other PC, you have to provide the host information like IP or host name. The default port for PostgreSQL is 5432. If you have given some other port, you have to give here. So all databases, database Postgres username, say, provide the password of Postgres user, then click on test connection. Now it will ask us to download the drivers. Click on download. Connected successfully. Click on OK. Finish. Expand it. Expand databases. Right click on database. SQL editor. Open SQL console. Then run the select version. See, I have connected to PostgreSQL 17. Even if you want to run queries against any tables or views or objects, just give from customer. Select it and click on this execute button. See, you got the output. Okay, this is the way to connect to PostgreSQL server. But if you want to connect MySQL or MariaDB, I think I don't have MySQL. I have the MariaDB, so click on this plus button. Select the MariaDB, then click on next. Then default port for MariaDB or MySQL is same 3306. Then provide the database name. I have this database. Provide the username. Then click on text connection. See, connected successfully. Click on finish. Expand it. Expand databases. Right click. SQL editor. Open SQL console. Select version. This is just, but the connection process for MySQL is also same. Okay, so go to terminal. ls. We have successfully installed, so this file is not required anymore. So rm give DBeaver, with the tab, hit enter. ls. We have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download and install DBeaver 25.0 on Ubuntu 24.04. Then we have connected PostgreSQL and MariaDB from the DBeaver. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.